Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soho Meditation. I am Susil Khatka, your meditation and law of attraction coach. Today, my video is slightly different in a way that I got requests from so many of my followers regarding the law of attraction and how we can manifest the things that we desire in our life. Human beings have two kinds of powers. One is intention, the other one is attention. Wherever we focus our intention, our energy flows to that direction. To attract and manifest whatever you want in your life, you need to first understand, and then you need to have a strong desire to achieve that. And then by using the positive affirmations, you can create the things that you want in your life. Now let's talk about emotion. Emotion, which is energy plus motion. The more emotions that we put into anything, the more of that thing we receive. So get this, what you constantly think about, that is exactly what you get. This is the basic principle of law of attraction. If you keep thinking, my luck is so bad, I am so unlucky, there is so much of bills to pay. And when you keep thinking about these negative thoughts, your thoughts and your feelings equals the manifestation, and that you get more of them into your life. Another important thing, and mind you, this is the secret of law of attraction, and many of us fail to understand it, is that everything in this universe is a vibration with certain frequency, and you have to meet that vibration of that energy that you are trying to manifest. You cannot be above or below that vibration, and also in order to draw the things that you want to manifest, you can't want it so much that you fear that you won't get it. So in order to manifest anything, you must first make an intention and write it down or put it in a vision board, and then let it go. You just cannot be too obsessed with your goal because it won't manifest for you that way. You have to put your thoughts and you have to meet the vibration, and you have to prepare yourself and be ready to grab it when it comes to you. And when I say meeting the vibration, it means that from the moment you have your thoughts and you visualize that your desires are fulfilled, and the emotions and the feeling of excitement and happiness to have finally achieved what you had desired. So the secret to manifest is you need to have affirmation with concise positive words, clear visualization, and feelings. Feelings here being the most important component because, as I already mentioned, feeling is emotion and emotion is energy, and where you put your energy into most, it grows and becomes the reality that you want. So what you do is you prepare yourself and your mind for success, and success comes when the vibrational energy meets. Now let's see what is this 369 manifestation method is all about. This ritual is inspired by the very famous American scientist and inventor Nikola Tesla. The 369 method is a law of attraction and manifestation technique that helps you bring your desires into reality by writing what you really want. According to Tesla, numbers 3, 6, and 9 are divine numbers. These numbers are encoded in our number system and they reflect the quality of the divine. Tesla believed that the circle has 360 degrees. 3 plus 6 is 9, and no matter how many times you divide the circle, you always get either 3, 6, or 9. I'll not get into the mathematical details here, but my goal is to share with you the secret of using this method to achieve what you desire. So let me tell you how to exactly create your Tesla Code 369 statement that works for you. It's also called the 369 method because the numbers indicate how often you write your desire and when. You need to write your desires 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. Step number 1, pick your desire. This is the most important part, and many people get this wrong simply because they change their minds too often. It's easy to want to manifest as many desires at the same time, but the best thing here is to try to keep with one specific desires at a time so that you can clearly tell the universe what you exactly want to manifest. Take a moment to think about it. What is it that you truly want in your life right now? Perhaps it's something that keeps you up at night thinking about it, or maybe it's just something you feel you need to have. Step number 2, create your personal statement. It could be like, I want to get my dream job or a dream house. But how you structure your statement is important. It will be more powerful if you put it as a gratitude. Say something like, I'm really grateful and thankful for getting this job offer. Be specific while setting your intention and write your statements 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times before going to bed. And make sure your statements are in present tense and include the emotional aspect of what you are really trying to manifest. Try to visualize with strong emotions and feelings. Emotion is the key to manifestation, and you manifest what you feel. Step number 3 is to let go. As I mentioned earlier as well, letting go is very crucial, as you do not want to be so obsessed with your intention and your desires that it only reflects as a desperation and it turns out into negative thought, and it won't manifest what you had earlier desired. So just put out your thoughts into the universe and move on to your daily routine without worrying about a single thing, because you have to trust the universe and have faith that your desires will manifest in divine timing and the results will make you ultimately happy and fulfilled. Meditation can really help to let go of anything, and if you want to learn how to meditate, please watch my other videos. The links are in the description below. So friends, try this 369 manifestation method today and let me know in comments if you are able to manifest whatever you had desired. But please do keep in mind that mastering the art of manifestation is different from the law of attraction, and I will tell you exactly how the two are different in my next video. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss a thing. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and comment and put your suggestions as well. I will appreciate it. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye.